So today I'm going to show you how you index a document inside of Sage Paperless. And then this document will be available within Paperless and also will be under the paperclip attachments in the various locations throughout your software. So today I'm going to show you how to do a W-9, but this would apply for certificates of insurance, and any other types of documents that are not accounts payable related. So first thing I'm going to do is show my screen here. This is the Sage Paperless screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my W-9 document here. So I'm going to pull it over, and you notice as I pull the document over, it changes the screen inside Sage Paperless. And the option I'm going to choose is the index file option. So when I click on that, it's going to display a copy of my document. So here, my W-9 document. And then it's going to show me the index document window. So the first thing that I need to do is pick what type of document this is. So in this case, this is a W-9. However, you have all these other documents that are available to you that you could also index as well. Okay, so what I do is I can hit the F4 key on my keyboard, and this is going to show me a list of all the vendors in my Sage software. So I pick the appropriate vendor, and then I can enter in the document date here. And then I'm done with the required fields. Now, if you wanted to add additional fields in here, you definitely could. You would need to speak with your administrator about adding those additional fields to this document. But any of the fields you see here, as long as they're filled out, you can search by those fields. Then you have a couple of options below. You can keep this window open after you index it. You can route it around. So if you need other individuals to view this document, or you want to make them aware of this document, then you can route it around so that they see this document. And then you can index it as a read-only image, so no one would be able to modify it or make changes to it because it would be a read-only document. So it's definitely up to your preference on how you want to handle that. So once you've made the necessary adjustments that you need to, then you're going to go ahead and hit index. And that is done. You are complete. Then you can hit that red X and it is indexed. So now if you go to the retrieve area and go to search, you'll notice that when I look for W-9s, there's that W-9 that I just indexed right here. So I can easily find it. And then again, inside your Sage accounting software, if I were to look under that particular vendor, Beaverton Painting, I would see a piece of paper in the paperclip icon, and that would show me, again, this document here under the vendor setup window inside my Sage accounting software.